Life doesn't change when you wish for it. It changes when you finally decide you deserve more. Have you ever felt stuck, watching the world move forward while you remain in the same place? Hey, that changes. These next moments can open the door to freedom and opportunity. 3 high-income skills can transform anyone stuck in routine into someone with incredible possibilities. Watch till the end, the last skill may change how you see earning online. Alright, let's move into the video.
Skill number 1 is YouTube automation, one of the smartest ways to earn online. You work behind the camera, build a system, and let your digital asset earn even while you sleep. Pick a niche, write scripts, arrange visuals, edit and upload consistently. The secret is building a system, not random videos. Once mastered, YouTube becomes a tool of freedom. Now let's move to the next global skill. Skill number 2 is freelancing, the fastest way to turn skills into global income. No office, no boss, no degree, the world pays for what you can do. Writing, designing, editing, thumbnails, copywriting, every skill has a client. Reliability and quality make clients return. Most people fail not from laziness, but from lack of focus. Treat freelancing like a business. In months, you can replace a full-time income. Now let's talk about the skill that boosts both freelancing and YouTube automation. Skill number 3 is video editing, the golden skill of the digital age. Every channel, brand, and creator depends on editors. Start with short-form videos. Master pacing, transitions, and storytelling. Offer editing as a service to small brands or creators. Video editing makes everything easier. You can grow your own YouTube automation channel and earn from multiple streams. This skill powers the other 2 and gives you massive leverage. Once you realize your skill is your freedom, everything changes. Discipline, clarity, courage. Show up daily, even with low motivation. Pick a skill, master it, scale it. Small actions lead to big results. Your freedom starts with you. If this video inspired you, don't let the spark fade. Like, comment, and subscribe to Skilloma, where ambition meets action. Watch previous videos to grow faster and earn smarter. The world rewards doers. Start today, your journey begins now.